blue. It's Leo. It's blue. Hop back.
You got to fall from the line. Again. Same thing. Come on, Cam. Right get center. Couple more steps down right here in front of you. Two. Corner. Set it up, guys. Go, Karen. Get in front of the ball. One of our defenders. Get up there. Over. Go! In. Touch. Nice. Yeah! Cam. See what happened? Let's go. Cody. Let's go. Because you rolled that out. It's right over these heads. Justin, we can't make runs up the field. You'll never make it to the end of the game.
Look, Sawyer!
Oh, he tackled! Yep, PK. Henry earned it. Come on, Henry!
Come on, Henry!
Jamie, that's a penalty. Hey, bump. That's enough. Hey, I don't want to hear it. Hey, focus on what you need to do.
Shed! Crash the box. Get some water. We're going to put you in the center deal, okay?